want to quickly check your Windows PC for malware. Windows Security includes a built-in quick scan that checks common areas where threats may be found. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to run it and what to do when the scan finishes. First, open the Start menu and search for Windows Security. Select the app from the results to open the security dashboard. Once Windows Security opens, select Virus and Threat Protection. This is where you'll find your antivirus scanning options and current threat information. Under Current Threats, find the Quick Scan button and select it. Windows Security will immediately begin checking your PC for potential threats. So yeah, there's no complicated setup required. While the scan is running, Windows Security checks common locations where malware is likely to appear. You can continue using your computer during the scan, although keeping demanding programs closed can make the process smoother. When the scan finishes, check the results shown under Current Threats. If Windows reports that no current threats were found, your quick scan didn't detect anything suspicious. If a threat is detected, open the result and carefully review the recommended action. For more information, open Protection History. This section can show threats and potentially unwanted apps that Windows Security has detected or blocked. If you don't recognize a file, avoid restoring or allowing it unless you know it's safe. A quick scan is useful for routine checks, but it isn't the deepest scan available. If you still suspect malware after a clean quick scan, go back to Virus and Threat Protection, select Scan Options, and consider a full scan or another available scan type. And that's how to run a quick scan in Windows Security. It's a simple way to check your PC without installing another antivirus program. Run one whenever you need a quick security check, and keep Windows Security updated for the best protection.